Now,
Good luck.
Stand up and thank God. Thanks for your notifications off. Please do not have your sounds on. I do not need to be hearing your turn. Your turn. Please mark your results, because if not, I will do so and you will not like it.
Two.
Good. I'll be it.
Yep.
We'll move into combat.
Yep.
We'll direct first. Or two. And then we'll frontal, matching, 4-1. Would you like the bottom deck yet?
Nah. Power?
Just 1-5.
You didn't remind me. I'm going to ask Aaron.
Hate to see it.
Hate to see it. Turbo cringe. Attacks. Front 2. 2.
Two's good.
Direct 3. 3.
Cancel.
Direct 3. 3.
Cancel.
Okay. Hate to see it.
On death, spawn Ricky. Hang on. That's it. Stab and draw. Clock. 3. 6. Draw 1 and draw 2. Ricky.
Yeah, she has a desktop.
Sorry. Star Comics is at the top check. Not a level 2 or higher, so no power. Now. Let's begin. We'll Frontier at 2-5 for 2. We will Frontier. On attack, we'll do the combo. It's a Maguro, and if I add a level 3, I need to draw a ditch. Level 0, no draw ditch. Trigger for bomb for 2. And
Damn it, so help me God.
on attack on New Jersey. Level 3. Draw ditch. Discard. Trigger for 3. Alright, pass turn to you.
Yeah, exactly. And so I'm cheating.
your revenge. Weirdo. Monkey.
This will be such a perfect turn. I need to find out if I can.
Shoot it.
454535.
Pressure.
On play, look at top card.
Tax. 3.
Very good. Frontal.
Yep. Front 3 or 2. 3.
Cancel.
Front 2. 2.
Very good.
Draw it again.
Monarchy.
Yep.
Clock. Doesn't matter. 6 out.
Yep.
Go for it. Alrighty. Stand. There is a world. There is a world.
It's not this one.
Let's see. Well, let's just say the One Piece is real.
Dang. Proving me wrong here on camera, are you?
We will resonate. A1, rest. Check up to 3. Add a character.
I'm busy.
Right now, I'm
busy opening this bag.
That's a choice. That's a choice. Welcome. Sorry.
That's a bar. No choice.
Got me there. You got me there.
Thank you, thank you. I think you had me.
7 going.
Sure. Start climax phase. We shall resonate to give 2k, and then resonate and give 2k here. Okay.
She gives to herself and one other 2k. Start climax phase. We'll top check. Not level 2. No effects. That is no problem on my part. And we shall play 1k1. Frontal. You will be under. This will be for 2. For 2. And then they all get 1 filter. Or climax filter. Frontal. Attack. Check 4. I will add Shinana on level 3. Draw and ditch. Ditch. Trigger for 2.
Yeah.
This feels good. Sorry.
Level.
Frontal. Starting 2 for 3. Alrighty, pass turn to you.
Yeah.
Off for 2. Get attacks. 4.
Yeah, you got it.
I missed this again. I'm so bad. I need my opponent to yell at me, call me an idiot, call me names. Direct 2. 2.
Cancel.
And it worked out because it was just like 4. But direct 2. 3.
Cancel.
Good.
Already.
On play,
what's it called?
this has to affect this. On play, we'll get this middle one. When it attacks, look at the top two.
One, draw two, 2, 3.
On the two cards,
I love that strat.
On play, discard a character, draw.
Yep.
I can bounce this to hand on finance place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Those are attackers.
Day 1, rest, resonate, check 3. We will add a character. And we shall move into combat. Frontal. For bar. And I'll blind stop.
Which one do you want to trigger? The one you want to trigger, you want to put on the bottom. Okay.
So what I can do is put this to waiting room.
Frontal.
This is the first effect.
4, 2.
I can stack the triggers because this has a different effect. It says look at top
Right.
2. leave one on top, and then
On
waiting
death,
room.
this has
And then
effect.
the other is already on attack, which is look at top character action, and then refresh. And that way when this attack,
We'll pass on effects.
Okay.
And then overhand,
Weiss Schwarz player, you have just a little under 20 minutes left in the
Discard.
round. I played on that.
7 cards.
Okay.
Yep, go for it.
Very I'm pretty sure just like kid.
Okay, one. Ready to pick? X. 2.
Yep.
2.
Yep.
Trigger please. Direct 2. 2.
Cancel.
Ah.
Stand. Draw. Well, all or nothing, I suppose. Clock. Draw.
Yeah, I guess.
Refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 going up. Drew once. Refresh. Second draw. Pay 2. Heal. Pay 2, pay 4. And into the thick of it.
Good God.
Let's go. Frontal. On attack. Cheap characters. I mill 9 cards and then burn you 1 for every climax that I mill. Burn 1 twice. This will be for 3. For 3. We'll frontal here. For 3. For bar. And I'll blind stop. For 3. Frontal. On attack, we shall discard 2. 3, 6, 9. Burn 1 4 times. This will be for 3, for 4.
We have to have.
I'll start off 1 per step. I will pay 3, discard 1, rest to burn 1, and heal 1 on my
I lived it.
Correct. And then these 2, they heal at the start of 1 per step.
Okay.
Alright, your go.
Stroke.
This is the deck I've been. We did the 2-1 in Draco. Or the Reaper. Oh, yeah. Those are the 2 that I wanted to do.
Because my logic after I custom, and between these two, they are getting off level 1 was a cheese.
Primax comes out, yeah. No, that's what.
And then before this,
Or the.
it also helps you get yellow.
Yeah. I'll increase mine. I think I'm only running 2.
I'll show you this.
How many
Yeah,
out?
show me when you're done.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah, I
5,
play. I think I only play
6,
2
7,
or 3 of them.
8. Only
I don't play like a 4. It seems a bit excessive.
I just need one in my hand.
Yeah.
Front for 3.
To get one up good.
3.
You play the regular where you mill 3 to the 1 hour and you don't do that.
Because I was just.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see.
Critical cut. Critical cut. Refresh. And 33 scan.
On reverse. Lift.
Normally it would be like level 1, I'll have this out.
Front. On attack. Bottom card.
Because he'll be 6.
Keep.
Oh,
Icy.
yeah.
Why do I need a level 1 power? I'm going to do that on level 1. She'll be 7.
That's good. That's
Yep.
good.
I don't use